In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit automation in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely save your changes so your email workflow stays organized and accurate. First, start on your Mailerlite dashboard. This is your home base, the place you land where you can see an overview of your account. If you ever feel lost, returning to the dashboard centers everything and makes navigation simpler. From here, we'll head straight to the tool we need. Next, click on Automations. You'll find this in the main navigation. Opening Automations brings up the list of your workflows. Think of these as the sequences and rules that send emails automatically when someone signs up, clicks a link, or meets a condition. This list shows each automation's name and status, which helps you quickly spot the one you intend to adjust. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple workflows with similar names. Now choose the automation you want to work on and click Edit. That opens the editor for that specific workflow. Before changing anything, scan the layout so you understand how it's currently set up. You'll typically see a trigger at the start and a series of steps that follow, like emails, delays, or filters. Make your adjustments thoughtfully and keep your audience's experience in mind. For example, if you're updating copy in an email or tweaking a delay, consider how that timing or wording affects the sequence as a whole. Small edits can have a big impact on engagement and deliverability, so clarity and consistency are your best friends here. If you're revising content, read it once more in the editor to catch any formatting or placeholder issues, and ensure subject lines and preview text match the intent of your message. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save. The Save button finalizes your edits in the automation editor. Give it a second to confirm and watch for any on-screen message indicating the update was successful. If the editor allows, a quick visual pass after saving helps confirm that every change stuck and that the flow still reads logically from top to bottom. Saving regularly is a good habit, especially if you're making multiple edits in one session. That's all there is to it. Start on the dashboard, open Automations, select the workflow you need, and click Edit, then save your changes. With these steps, you can confidently keep your Mailerlite automations current, accurate, and aligned with your marketing goals.